Wow, they're waving at us. Yeah.
Do you have a place though?
No, I was gonna Google one. Sumimasen. Sumimasen.
Fuck you.
What the?
Is it coffee? She.
No peach water. Can you pass me that grape drink, please? Thank you. Oh. What are y'all trying to figure out here?
Yeah.
You talking about chicken thighs?
I don't like chicken thighs like that, but they do nothing but chicken thighs here.
W7-Eleven run, guys.
W.
What you
Not
get?
just line up here. It's a protein coffee.
You get.
I got a onigiri and a banana protein.
The matcha one, it's not
You
a
got this
matcha?
salmon with salt. That was the other one.
No, I got
What did
grilled
Dre get?
salmon.
That's the one
What'd you
that
get?
yesterday.
I didn't get anything.
Huh?
Oh, you're boring. Oh, that's Michelle's.
Yeah, there
Well, no,
What'd you get?
it's colored on a sandwich. Pre-order.
Gas. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Oh, I think he's a bully.
Some warm ocean air.
Fit check. Fit check. Oh, they're double teaming him.
Oh no!
I swear. Look at him. Like we've never seen deer before.
Yeah. I've seen one running across like the countryside. Yeah, right? They're always afraid.
This one's not interesting.
No, you bow.
Just bow.
You
Bow.
bow.
Bow, bow, bow. Starships.
We're meant to fly.
Hands up.
Wow. Haha, oh yeah.